All right, I'm hoping this will be the last video on this Yard Machines 158cc engine. That's a replacement tank I put on there. I did want to take a minute to show you this. I've put the front screw in on the blower housing, and I'm being extra careful to make sure that that spark plug cable is in that little groove right there, so it doesn't get cut or pinched, and it's in the correct position. See how it's loose? If it's ever tight, you may have pinched it. You don't want that. This screw, this piece here needs to be on the outside of the housing. Let me get something I can point with my spring puller. See this piece here? That needs to be on the outside of the housing. And the opposite is true on this side. On this side, you want the housing to be on the outside of that piece right there, so that the housing sits on that tiny little bump right there of that metal. So on the muffler side, you want the blower housing on the outside of this extended arm here. On the carburetor side, you want this piece to be on the outside of the housing. Okay, just wanted to take a minute to show you that. All right, so now let's tighten these up. Oh, I got no power. Let me, got another battery charging up over there. Let's see if, let me set the camera down. Hang on a second. Let me see, I'll use this drill right here. Let's set that right there. And I don't usually use this thing, but I have to use it today because I could pull that one off the charger over there, but it's not completely charged. So let's use this little guy. All right, so still need the 3/8 socket, which is right here, and right there, and hopefully this one's got some charge. So that is pretty good. Now this one. And this one. That's pretty good. I'm going to touch this wire again, make sure it's not binding at all, and it's not. So now I need to put some gas in there. And we're about to pull the cord on this guy. I'll put a new blade on it. I always like finding these old gas cans that don't have all the modern stuff, just a simple gas can. Not any switches or pumps or tricks or anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This thing pours really well, so that should be enough. And we're gonna make sure this thing is priming. It was the other day when I rebuilt it. But let's just make sure. All right, here we go. 1, 2. So there you go. So that's working. All right, and we checked the oil, so I know there's oil in there. Now let's walk this thing out to the proving grounds and pull the cord and see if this mower that I paid $30 for is gonna be okay. All right, I think I got a path cleared here. I'm sort of expecting this mower to smoke because of all the oil that was up around the muffler and everything, but we'll see. All right, so let's walk it out here together. I'm gonna get a clamp for that. I just want to have it in case I need it. All right, here we go. I'm not going to bother putting an air filter on there because I'm just going to run this for a minute or two if I'm lucky. It's a real nice day today here. About 70 degrees right now. All right, let me give it just one little push because I hit it with those two earlier. A lot of smoke. This mower's going to be okay. I'm going to get an air filter on it and walk it out there in that pasture. You don't want to smoke up the neighborhood too bad. But this $30 mower is going to be okay. Thanks for watching.